Aha, if you're still here, you must have wanted to see the bonus content. And here it is in just 1 minute or less. If you notice, I was drinking kombucha, organic and raw tea. So it's fermented, so it sprays up just like as if you had shaken up a bottle of Coke. I'm going to show you how to open this without spraying it all over the place and losing too much. The first time I did this without knowing how it was going to react and spray, I lost half a bottle. It was shooting for days. You get your big container to put it in so that the bottle is immersed into the container. You get you a lunch bag such as this and you put it right over top. That way when it sprays out, it hits the bag and goes into this cup. And if your cup is clean, you can drink it right out of the cup. That way you don't lose it like I did. Now, hopefully you let it sit for about an hour and it may not spray at all, but if it does, you're prepared. You open it really slow. You just try to let some of the air seep in. I was talking, you probably didn't hear it. And then I watch it. It looks like it's not gonna fly up. But this one didn't do it, so we're great. But at least we were prepared in case it did. All right, thanks for watching.